Tatsakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Sutta Goswami said, when the second millennium overlapped the third, the great sage Vyasa was born to Parasara in the womb of Satyavati, the daughter of Vasu. There is a chronological order of the 4 millenniums, namely Satya, Dvapar, Treta, and Kali. But sometimes there is overlapping. During the regime of Vivasvata Manu, there was an overlapping of the 28th round of the 4 millenniums, and the 3rd millennium appeared prior to the 2nd. In that particular millennium, Lord Sri Krishna also descends, and because of this there was some particular alteration. The mother of the great sage was Satyavati, the daughter of the Vasu fisherman, and the father was the great Parashar Muni. That is the history of Vyasadev's birth. Every millennium is divided into 3 periods, and each period is called a Sandhya. Vyasadeva appeared in the 3rd Sandhya of that particular age.